So this vase I've had for years, and then I had an epiphany that I could use it for decor. And down on the inside I have 2 foam blocks, and I filled in the space with red garland that I got at Dollar Tree. I got these bouquets of hearts at Walmart. They were 98 cents. I grabbed these raspberry cookies at Marshall's. I think they were $2.99 or $3.99. I don't love them, so I am going to go back to La Madeleine and see if they are making them this year, because I used to give those to my daughters on Valentine's Day. I love this his and her, and this ribbon garland is from Walmart. I think it was $3.98. I only bought one. I should have bought 2 or 3 because they're gone now, but they are so beautiful. This applique came from Dollar Tree, And it came with 4 different sizes in a package, so I can use them year after year. You do need to shake the glitter off because it will fall on everything. I don't know where these tiles came from. Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, I'm not really sure. Home Goods, it could be anywhere. And since I have a love of popcorn, I grabbed a couple of popcorn bins. Okay, this is the buffet. It was adorned with pink heart candies, but people ate them before I could put it on video. And this is what the runner looks like. Let all that you do be done in love. These beautiful glasses I got at Home Goods. They only had 2. I researched this product line because I paid $4.99 or $5.99, something very inexpensive. I researched their product line and I saw these on Neiman Marcus website. They were like $68. And I just wanted to add a touch of romance. These are the candles from my stockpile. I think these came from Walmart for $1, and the napkins were Walmart for $1. But look at this beauty. I just wanted to share a little romance and love this year. Let me tell you about this beautiful table. The rose petals, Walmart, 98 cents a bag. You've seen that ribbon, $3.98. These bouquets, I think I got the pink ones at Walmart and the red ones at Dollar Tree, and the little heart stems, Dollar Tree. The hearts under here, they're from Dollar Tree. And the dollies are from Hobby Lobby. They do sell those dollies at Dollar Tree, but I wasn't sure. So I bought them at Hobby Lobby, and then I went and guess what? They were at Dollar Tree. These little glasses I made. I saw a set of them at Home Goods for $10. I bought 4 glasses at Dollar Tree, $4, and 1 package of glitter stickers at Dollar Tree, $1, and recreated this, saving half the price. This is part of that same line, and I think they're $98.88 at Neiman Marcus. They were selling them individually at Home Goods for $7.99, I think, and then I looked up and saw a box of 4 for $20, so that was a savings. These plates are from TJ Maxx. They were marked down to $2 a plate. This vase is from Christmas. Can't remember where I got it from, but gold is my thing now, so hey, there you go. Love is patient, love is kind. Now the buffet I've always had, and the lanterns I've always had, and I just added a couple of large size plates in pink and red because my theme this year is 2 hearts. So there are 2 hearts everywhere. Okay, so the staircase, everything is 2 hearts. These 2 hearts, I believe, came from Dollar Tree. They were at the beginning of the Dollar Tree decor, as well as those foam and glitter hearts on the table. And I'm glad I didn't wait because they're no longer there. And the spools of ribbon I bought at Walmart, I ran out, and they don't have any more. So this one is lonely without a bow, but that's okay. It's still beautiful. And that's where all of this came from. So very affordable decor. Thank you for watching.